circulate the same air inside of our home all the time. It goes in your return and comes out your supplies. You never hear anybody say, I'm going to step inside for some fresh air. The indoor air quality in our home is not as good as a lot of people think.
The EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency, actually says your indoor air quality can be up to 5 times more pollutant than outside. So indoor air quality means basically having the cleanest, crispest air you can possibly have to breathe and be comfortable with.
The ultraviolet light is very important for your system, especially in the state of Florida. There's a lot of moisture that built up in the system with the dust. It will cause bacteria to grow inside.
In today's world, ultraviolet air purification systems are huge. If you do have mold, dirt, dander, debris, fungus, it kills it. The blue high-efficiency ductwork that we use is used because it's antimicrobial.
Because your ductwork is in the attic, it will grow bacteria inside, mold, mildew, so the blue duct will prevent that.
We're constantly using the air and we have to keep it clean.
This is an electronic filter.
Oh.
Electrostatic filter. So these right here have carbon strips in them. So every one of those going down,
Yeah.
carry low voltage to those carbon strips, so it helps catch more dust out of the air.
Oh, wow.
Filters do matter. If you're truly looking for indoor air quality, we offer solutions from HEPA filters to electronic air filters. It all depends on what the customer's needs are to set the stage for our visit together.
Everybody has different needs. I try to assess the situation differently for everybody depending on what those needs are. Whether it's they have animals or maybe they run a business out of their house, it's a little bit different for everybody.
When we do a home evaluation, we go through the entire indoor unit. We take off both panels, we inspect the blower, the cage, and the evaporator coil to make sure there's no dirt, debris, fungus, or anything growing on there.
We'll open up that air handler. We're going to look at that ductwork. We're going to put a camera up in the plenum. There's a lot of things that we can look at in their house.
Most of the homeowners realize afterwards they have less dust in their house. Some even notice that allergens have been reduced.
When I go out and I talk to the customer, that said, I didn't believe it at first, but now I believe it.
Changing out the ductwork, ultraviolet lights, HEPA filters, all of these things make a massive difference in our overall air quality in our homes.
The indoor air quality here is very important because a lot of people spend time inside the houses. You should have good air. It's as simple as that.